Hi, and welcome to the Full Throttle Deep Drive series on UMC's Full Track. UMC stands for Utah Motorsports Campus. Some old timers still call it Larry Miller or Miller Motorsports. We're going to call it UMC because that's what it's called. Today we'll be focusing on the full track as well. And in this deep drive series, like all of our deep drives, Brian's going to take you through a ton of nuances that really make a difference, more than just the line or braking or camber. He's going to talk to you about surface changes and curbs and banking, when to hit curbs, when not to, when to early apex, when not to. So let's start with a few basics about UMC. We have 4 configurations. We have the full, the outer, the west, and the east. Today, we're going to be talking about the full track. So a lot of things to know about this. Number 1, always counterclockwise. We have 23 turns in the full track. That is a lot of turns to memorize. It's about 4.5 miles long, and we do have some elevation changes here. It's really technical. Speaking of elevation, we are at elevation here. It's at 4,400 feet or so. So your car is going to perform differently than it would in the desert at a California track or something like that. And it's got a really long straightaway, about 3/4 of a mile for a straightaway. So you can get zooming down that track pretty darn fast. Couple of other things that we don't want to forget. We do have the optimal line series as well for this particular configuration at UMC. And you can get personalized coaching from Brian for absolutely any track. So, all right, let's let Brian do his magic with the deep drive for UMC's full track.